in Penn, Pennsylvania. These are originally Dovers, but sadly modernized by Eastern Jet Plus RBW. Bright color. 4 people in an elevator. It's pretty deep. Oh, close off real quick. 5 slap on mod, I think. Here we go. Yeah, slap on one, definitely original controller motor. Interesting. Normally they use Galaxy or MC. Go back down to 1. The buttons flicker. I think there's some power voltage issues. ADA phone. Handrails are kind of high. I don't think they're ADA height. It's a basic cab. It's rather deep again. You can fit up to 4 people social distancing, I guess. Certificate installed 1971. Or no, 1970. Emergency lights are vertical. The skinny panels, probably they didn't put on the side and cut off the handle. Here back at 1, yeah. Definitely relay controlled.